Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. So I've got the door panel off the Buick again. The window switch quit on me. I cleaned up the contacts. Same thing on the driver's side. The driver's side, it's got the 4-gang, you can see it over there, the 4-gang toggles of power windows, and the driver's side one stopped working on me. And I just think I even cleaned the contacts when I took it apart when I was restoring the door panels. But I just think over time, I sanded the contacts a little bit to clean them up because they were corroded. But I think I don't know. I think their time was come. So fortunately, there's, forget where I got them from. I got them from a seller on eBay. But they sell replacement one of these. I think they were actually new old stock. So this is the old one from the passenger side door. And you can see it cracked on me when I was fixing it the first time, and I tried repairing it, but it just doesn't work. So I took it out. Here's my new one. The up direction goes towards the gold pin, and you got the 3 prongs there, so you put it back in like this. Like this. So up goes up and down goes down. And this bezel just clips into the back of the door. This was fiberboard, like heavy cardboard. You can watch some of my other videos on how I redid the doors, but I got the original bezel, not bezel, but like the bracket mount. And then this just pops in from the front, and these tabs lock into these ridges here. It just clicks right in. And then you plug it back in and hang the door back on. The way you get the circuit board out, the switch out, is there's little tabs here that get bent down over the top of the board. You pry them out, pop it off, pry them back down when you put the new one on. Well, this one of the ears snapped here and here. So these two I was able to bend back down, and they're holding it in place. But this side kept wanting to pop up. So what I did was I put it in my vise, and I just squeezed it this way a little bit. So these edges are crimped down over the top of the circuit board, and that's holding it in. You can get new bezels, but I'd rather reuse this one if I can. This is the original one. But just be careful bending these. It's not, I think it's pot metal, or maybe cast aluminum. It's not a structural piece. So you wiggle it too many times, it'll break. But yeah, now the passenger will be able to operate their window again. All right, thanks for watching.